Taskmaster is returning to Owen Sound and North Grey Union Public Library, with me, your captain, as the esteemed Taskmaster, Greg Davies. Don't miss your chance to participate in our tasks as a team of 4 or 5 to try to win the coveted golden head and prove to all your friends and foes your notable prowess in pointless practices once and for all. Too shy to be under the spotlight? Well, our live audience will need you, as humiliation always needs a witness. Mark your calendar for Friday, November 15th for a night of comically clever clogs, ecstatic successes, and dismal failure. Register with my attentive assistant, Nadia, who will be rewarded a nominal edible treat for every notification she receives on this matter.